Hi there, I'm using Affinity Publisher for iPad OS, but it's also available on Windows and Mac OS. Using the rectangle tool, I created a background for placing the logo of our imaginary university above it. Affinity Publisher lets you to switch to Affinity Designer mode if you have purchased Affinity Designer, and I'm doing that to curve the borders around the logo. And then I'm putting the header of the envelope, the date, and the address of the university. After that, I make some adjustments to each of the margins. And then I place the main body text. You can see it has some filler text in it. It's a feature built into the Affinity Publisher itself. You just tap and hold on the place of the text you want the filler text to be added, and then tap on Add Filler Text option. Always keep an eye on the spacing between each line of text. And over here, I'm just adjusting a little bit of it. And then I add the footer of our page. Make some color adjustments. I chose red for the background as it is the color of the logo of an identity of the university. But later on, I'm gonna make some more adjustments to the color to make it look better, the color of the text. And here I'm increasing the leading of the text so that it doesn't feel too cramped and doesn't bore the reader. I feel the borders of the logo are too rounded, so I decrease the roundness of them. And let's add the footer text. I'm just mentioning the subject of the paper and the page number. And then I'm doing final adjustments to each of the elements of the paper. You can see that the page is rather simple, and I didn't use any excessive elements or colors or effects. I just tried to make it look as much like a letter as possible. In the future, I'm going to show you other ways you could design your letter, but that's it for today. Make sure you like this video, and a sub to the channel would be amazing. And have a creative time.